Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about Prometics. Prometics is a website where you can buy mascaras and prime lash mascara, and they are providing so many, you can say, like product. Okay, so is this website legit or it just a new scammy website, and what are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any order on this website? Okay, so first of all, you can see like website is very old, like 4 years from now, and they also have their official store on amazon.com, and their all each and every product is listed on amazon.com. So in the terms of legitness, the website is 100% legit. Okay, and if we talk about like the product they are selling, their product is really amazing, their product rating is also really amazing. So yes, definitely you can buy product and you can use the product, but before using product you can check out their refund policy. So if you place your order up to 150 US dollars, then they will provide you full refund excluding shipping charges, and all, say you can like all the things are 30 days money back guarantee, all the things are coming with 30 days money back guarantee. But if your order above 150 US dollars, then they will offer only 50% of refund. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can also make a comment, I will reply very soon. And if we talk about like some other things, like the product, each and everything is really good, you can use their product and you can like get the benefits of their product. The brand is 100% legit and good. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.